Hi Vishesh Arora ji.
Hi.
Thank you for being there with us with theaterada.com for an interview. Okay, so it is said that theater artist, if he takes theater as a profession, then it's a risk-taking profession. How would you say on
No, I don't
comment
think
on
so
that?
because at this point of time, theatre in India and in Delhi particularly, people think that it's not commercially viable. But there's a lot of scope in that because if you charge well from the audience, so it's commercially viable because people think we are not worth it to charge so much in Monday House. Whenever they have a show, they don't charge more than 100 or 150 rupees. But here we charge 300 and we get a house full. So I think we should get corporate client sponsors, to make theatre much more viable for actors as well as other corporate clients. That's the thing.
Okay, so you are a young, person who has a theater production house. So what difference you feel that being a young person and being somebody who's directing and has a production house with the age of 60? So what is the difference between the two?
I don't think this is a matter of age. I think this is a matter of passion because I think people are there who realize this at later in their life at times when they are in their 40s after doing 20 years of job. But I have realized this after my college only. So I started doing that full time, and I find it viable since I am attached to it. I'm very attached to it, and this is a commercial thing for me. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, so what are your learnings from theater? As in the whole
Learnings.
theater, any learning?
Learnings. I would not say this one particular learning. We learn every day. Theatre is a field of learning. So I think there's no particular thing I can tell you. Yeah.
Okay, so there's a concept of free sitting which is there.
Yeah.
You know, pe- people don't charge for charge audience to come and see the play. Do you feel this is killing theater or it is making it?
I think that kills theatre because there are some theatre groups who get grants for performing, and they think if we do this for free, more and more audience will turn up. But I think if you don't charge the audience, they will not worth your your production. You should charge, and you should charge accordingly. The kind of thing you have made. If you think you are not worth it, don't do it. I think.
Okay. So theaterada.com being a website, how can we contribute to the whole ecosystem of theater and to this whole world? How can we contribute? ऐसा हम क्या करें maybe which we are not doing?
Yeah, I
And
think you should get sponsors and corporate clients for the theatre workers and directors who are performing in Delhi because I think there's a lack of marketing in this field. Yeah. So you can add as a bridge between these two.
okay. Okay, so there are a lot of celebrities who are coming on theater stage. So do you feel a celebrity is important
No, they
for
are not
theater?
celebrities when they used to do theatre initially. They started with theatre and then they became celebrities. Like many of them, Naseeruddin Shah, Anupam Kher, they started with theatre. They started with their career with theatre with National School of Drama, and then they went on to become celebrities in Bollywood.
Okay. So any other thing you would like to add on to the audience?
Yeah, I think we only 1% of the Delhi audience is keen on watching plays in Delhi. I think more and more audience should turn up, and we should market the plays really well for that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being there with theater.com.